Creating HTML forms is easy. You simply need a form tag. Within the form tag are your input elements. Common input elements include text fields, radio buttons, check boxes, and a submit button, which when the user clicks it will submit his or her input information to a script on your server. Let's take a look at a simple web form. In my simple web form, I have two text input fields for first name and last name, two radio buttons indicating male or female, and two checkbox input items. I also have my submit button. When your user clicks the submit button, that information will be sent to a form mail script hosted at the CGI bin of your web hosting service. And we're going to look at a simple form script in just a moment. But let's look at the code of this simple web form. So this is my HTML code. I have specified a form name input that sends the user input to a web host. Within that web host, there will be a CGI folder with the form mail script. The method is get. It could be post, but in this case, we're going to use the get method, and it has to be uppercase. We have several input types in this particular document. One input type is hidden. This is the only input type that is necessary for our form mail script to work. It is hidden, so the user will not see this input information. This is just a list of instructions that form mail needs to accept the input and submit it to an email address. The other input types that are necessary would be our text, our radio, and our checkbox input. Notice first name is not enclosed in any input tag. This just is the text the user will see when he or her clicks on your form, letting them know what information is needed. So we have specified this input type as text, name is first name, and value is Mickey. This value is what the user will input, so this value will change. It's a dynamic value. Following that is our last name input type, and it is a type text with name, last name, value, mouse. Again, this is also dynamic. In our input type, we have a radio button indicating a value of male, and another radio button indicating a value of female. Next, we have our checkbox input type, which specifies a name of vehicle and a value of bike. Let's explain what these names and values mean. The name is simply the group or the type of information that we are collecting. In the radio input type, we have specified the name of sex for either value male or female. Within a radio input type, only one choice can be selected. In the checkbox type, we have a list of vehicles with the value of either bike or car. A checkbox allows the user to check more than one choice. We also have an input type of submit. When the user clicks the submit button, the data that he has inputted in the form will be sent to our form mail script. If this script is set up properly and is saved to the correct folder, we will see the input name and the value entered by the user. Depending on the script that you use, you may either have the information saved to a database, or in this case, we're using form mail, so values are sent to an email address. Form mail is a popular CGI program, and it's very easy to set up. You can locate form mail at www.scriptarchive.com/formmail.html. It includes all of the information you need to get this script set up properly. Take some time to visit www.w3schools.com and practice using HTML forms.